Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna plan my classic happy planner for the first week in February. I think this week I'm going to do, sorry, that was a long pause, which you probably didn't. Hopefully it came out in the editing and you don't even notice, but it's fine. This week I'm planning, how I'm gonna decorate is recreating an old spread. So I thought I would just go back and get like the one from the first week of February of last year and try and like recreate a similar look. So let's do that. So get in this planner. I bookmarked it so we don't have to look for it for a long time. Also, I made this out of lamination. It's like super like foggy, but it was cute for a while. Yeah, so this is the first week of February. Hopefully there's nothing like crazy on here, so please don't like read too close, okay? Look, I got a Be Happy box. Yeah, let's do something like that. Ironically, these stickers were, I believe they're the ones in Modern Farmhouse, yeah. So I might have a couple still in there. I don't know. I might have used them all. We'll see. We'll definitely use that sticker book, and we'll use some hearts. I feel like that's what I'm getting from this, is a lot of hearts and a lot of pink. So let's do that. I also like made my own checklists. Those are super cool. And I think I added these after the fact. I feel like they're from the Be Happy box. But maybe this was a previous Be Happy box and this was the other one. Maybe this was when it came in the mail and then I added it in throughout the week. I don't know. But these are from the floral sticker book. So we might add some of that in too. So we got these sticker books. And let's just set this to the side as our inspiration. And get started. Okay, so looking through here, I definitely don't have any more of these stickers. But I do have quite a bit of heart stickers in here, but they're all silver, because this is a weird sticker book that has silver and gold in it. So I think I'm just going to switch to silver this time and do like a paler version, a silver and like a peach and pink one. And we'll go with that. So I'm going to put these back because they're gold in these sticker books. So ignore that. And I think we're going to go ahead. This is definitely a vertical layout, which like I just switched in for that one. So I'm debating if I should just use a vertical layout and put it in extra this week. Just do maybe like find some like heart scrapbook paper. That might be cute. And do a vertical layout for this week. Let's go look and see what we have. Okay, so I found these papers. I really like the idea of using this one just because it's so pretty. And there's a lot of pink on here. There's obviously a lot of pink on here. I think we're going to go with these stripes. And then a vertical layout. So we'll just glue this paper onto here. Glue a vertical layout onto there. Okay, let me recut that out because I messed it up and cut out 2 Thursday, Fridays, Saturdays. But I see this notes section, I kind of like it, so we might leave it in too. I should not have tried to add those lines, but it's fine. It looks okay. Yeah, okay, so this was the inspiration, and this is what it turns out looking like on mine. I just realized I don't have like any meal plan thing, so let's get one. This is the Bright sticker book, and I know they have these. Yeah, okay, so that's what it looks like. I used a lot of stickers from Modern Farmhouse, which is exciting. You saw how close I am to finishing that sticker book. Woo! It's happening sometime this year. Oh, I did not use this today sticker. Nope, I don't like it there. I don't hate that. It's a little weird, but it's fine. yeah, so I got some hearts. I got like a lot of pink. We got a lot of shades of pink because Bottom Farmhouse has a lot of shades, and I'm trying to use up that sticker book. But I'm excited to use these 2 flower stickers because, like, there's 2 of them, and, like, what are they gonna match with? Apparently this spread. So, yeah, let me know in the comments if you like this idea, if you like the vertical layout, or if you would have stuck with the dashboard layout, and really anything else you want to tell me. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I'll see you next video. Thanks, bye!